Okay, I want to demonstrate AI talking to another AI. And I'm going to start by posting that phone number. I make a mistake, so I'm going to reverse it back and post it on another, place the cursor at the top of the file here. So I retain the call.any.ai call hyperlink. And I want to use multiple browsers so they don't interfere with each other. On one browser, I have that Copilot, and then I want to add to the Copilot another AI, which is called Annie.ai/call, and see if that works. So I'm going to copy to the clipboard buffer by pressing Control C. And then I want to open another browser. I want to make this current browser a little smaller so it doesn't take the whole screen like this. I was searching on Bing, the string that is right here, Miami AI Remote Virtual Conference Online Free. So I'm going to do another, this is on Bing. I'm going to open another instance of another browser, and here is on Copilot. Let me see how many more different browsers do I have. We'll use this Opera browser. Start a new and place the Colani, see if that works. We'll call Colani, and then I'll play back the message from Copilot. And now since it works, I'm going to make it in a smaller portion of the screen so we can view both of them all at the same time. Go back to a public route. So it didn't like this. So let's go back to the original URL. See if that will make any difference. Yes, and I'm gonna use the web version. Sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. Okay. And use ARush. And make a video call. One other thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to turn also on Pixar in my camera. So let's turn on the camera also and start recording a video. At this point, I want you to notice the vanity URL tail, which is a telephone number that spells a domain name and a business theme. And I'm going to record a video of that. Just before I forget, I would like to read this message. If I can bring the camera a little closer so I can see what it is. It's 305 on trial. Info. And again, 305 668 7425. So this is a vanity phone number that spells a domain name and a website all everywhere, everything, all at the same time. So all the person has to remember is on trial, and that's it. In this case, ontrial.biz is the phone number. It is also a domain name, and it is most importantly a business theme or an activity theme of being on trial, either on a legal trial or a technical trial of trying a new product or a new service. So placing this service on trial. For example, right now, I'm on trial conducting comparison among AI. So one of them is select Animato, Colani.ai. We're going to make a video call and narrate the response of Copilot, so Colani can talk to Copilot, and we will see if it works. In addition to that, I want to record it. I'm recording it already on the camera app for Windows 10 PC, MSN Recorder Max, which is a screen capture app or screen recorder. And finally, I'm going to add to all of that Psar.exe, which stands for Problem Step Recorder. So for that purpose, I'm going to find the icon of Psar.exe, click it, then it pops on the screen. And now I would like to make sure I save the previous recording. So I'm going to click save before I do anything else. Pick the previous recording and overwrite it with the new string, Control V. This is Colani.ai. So I'm going to just keep here Colani. That will be good enough for now. AI job forensic, Colani versus Copilot. Copilot. Copilot is Copilot.com, and Copilot is a Microsoft entity. And then I want to adjust other information, such as the date is April 29. April 29, 2024 is okay. The day of the week is Wednesday. So I'm going to put in capital W Wednesday, okay. And the time now is 4:06. So I'm starting at 4:06 p.m. I'm going to put it in the notes here. 4.06. This is going to be a zip type of file. I have to look to get the correct video file name, copy it from my notepad into the file name. Control C to copy to the clipboard buffer, and then override the message here, which is really no longer relevant. That may be good enough. This is a perfect situation where really the neck wallet, phone and badge holding lanyard would have been very useful, but I don't have it for now, and I don't feel like going to get it. Just suffice to say that it would be a perfect example of recording my activity at the present time. So I copy the entire string into the clipboard buffer, save it, and then start anew and add a comment with the previous file name to make sure that the link, creating a link chain. I'm going to go to the top of the file here, and to save it, paste it first of all, and then save it, but I would like to save it actually not to the psar.txt subfolder, but rather to another subfolder. Notice that as soon as I did these operations, the recording from Microsoft webcam stopped. So if I want to take a video, I have to press another take a video, and then hopefully it will work. Now I would like to also save this file to my log subfolder. So I'm going to scroll down a little to see whether it already, the subfolder already exists here, which it doesn't seem to be. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and navigate to it. Save As. Now I want to paste the file name first of all. Control V. But I want to change the path to the blog path. So let's see if I can find my log path. I'm looking for L, and I have a huge number of files here. Here's F, L-O-N-O-P. Already went too far, so I want to go down to L, to log, and here is log. Double click on log, and then I want also to grab the log path, copy it to the clipboard buffer, and then insert it in the first character. Oops. 1 \/ would suffice. And this is not a zip type of file, it is a text type of file. So I'm going to enter txt. Okay. Let's see if this works. Now I'm going to Control C to copy to the clipboard buffer, and then save it, and then paste it in my notes as the official. It's not actually text file, I made a mistake. It is a RTF type of file. Anyways, we'll start and we'll see where it goes. I want to do a video call, and then I want to narrate the message here.
Here are some AI conferences in Miami that you might be interested in. ARush Summit Connect 1K. Available on Zoom. The summit covered a wide range of topics, including the art and science of prompt engineering, AI-powered sales funnel, the mechanics of GPT, AI ethics and after the event carried 2 carried. MAIC Miami AI Club carried 3K. This is a community of decision makers, thought leaders, entrepreneurs, and AI enthusiasts in Miami. They collaborate on building a brighter future. ARush AI carried 3K. Please note that while these events were held in Miami, they may not all be free. You might want to check their official websites for more details.
Hi Annie, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm okay.
Just okay. Anything on your mind that you want to talk about? Here are some online conferences available that you might be interested in. ARush 7th Cloud Webcam. This is a live event in Miami, Florida that took place on September 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, 2023. It was also available on Zoom. The summit covered a wide range of topics, including the art and science of prompt engineering, AI-powered sales funnels, the mechanics of GPT, AI ethics and responsibility, the future of AI, launching your AI solution, and much more here on Carrot. 23 AI conferences, 2024-2025 plan to Carrot. This is a list of notable AI conferences and events for 2024 to 2025, including in-person events and events that offer free virtual classes or on-demand recorded sessions after the event Carrot to Carrot. MIIC Miami AI Club Carrot 3 Carrot. This is a community of decision makers, thought leaders, entrepreneurs, and AI enthusiasts in Miami. They collaborate on building a brighter future for all through AI Carrot 3 Carrot. Please note that while these events were held in Miami, they may not all be free. You might want to check their official websites for more details. Enjoy exploring these AI conferences. Total embracing AI for a brighter future. Summary: the application of AI offers a positive self-acquisition for humanity, transforming industries and interactions with the world. Companies prioritizing ethics and development create innovative solutions aligned with customer needs. Building a pipeline of AI talent through educational initiatives and government involvement strengthens AI ecosystems for a brighter future.
What do you think, Annie? Where can I find Miami conferences?
Attending conferences in Miami sounds like a great idea. Have you decided on which conference you want to attend? I can help you look up more information about specific events if you'd like.
Help me find more conferences that are in person in Miami, but also at the same time, remote virtual conferences that are also broadcasted online for free to people that want to attend it online without coming physically to Miami.
You can explore a combination of in-person conferences in Miami, but also offer virtual attendance options. Some conferences may provide free online access for remote participants. It's a great way to engage with the event from anywhere in the world. Let me know if you need help finding specific conferences that match your criteria.
Yes, I definitely need help, and I'd like you to tell me specific conferences. One conference, for example, is the Music Tech Conference that is coming up. I have already submitted a speaker application and hope that they will select me as a speaker, but I'd like to find additional conferences in Miami that I can attend and speak about AI.
That's fantastic that you've applied to speak at the Music Tech Conference. Speaking about AI at conferences is a great way to share your knowledge and insights. I'll help you find more conferences in Miami where you can talk about AI. Let's see what exciting opportunities we can discover together.
What other specific conferences do you think I could speak at that are going to be based in Miami, in person and on site, but also be streamed live to the World Wide Web? So if I cannot come physically to the conference to speak, I can come in through Zoom and speak through the Zoom without coming physically to the conference.
That's a great idea. Speaking at conferences that offer both in-person attendance in Miami and live streaming options can help you reach a wider audience. It's fantastic that you're open to speaking through Zoom if you can't be there in person. This way, you can share your knowledge and insights with people from all over the world. Let's explore more conferences that align with your preferences.
Can you find a specific conference and tell me about it?
I'm glad you're interested. Let me look up a specific conference that fits your criteria of being based in Miami, offering in-person attendance and live streaming options. I'll get back to you with some exciting details shortly.
How soon will it take for you to get back to me?
I'll do a quick search now and get back to you within the next few minutes with some information about a specific conference that matches your criteria. Stay tuned.
Okay, please take your time. I'm waiting for your response. Thank you.
Thank you for your patience. I'm still looking at finding the perfect conference that fits your requirements. I appreciate your understanding, and I'll get back to you shortly with some exciting details. Thank you for waiting.
Please take your time.
Thank you for being so understanding. I'm working on finding the best conference for you, and I'll make sure it's worth the wait. Your enthusiasm for speaking opportunities is inspiring. I'll be back soon with more information.
$1,000x?
1,000 X?
1,000x?
1,000 X?
studio, shoot content, and edit and post it. When I'm off.
So what else is going on in Miami? What do you think about the Miami AI Club? No, I've never attended any of their event. I'm going to go to look at some videos that they have from 1 month ago. Let's play back their video and then you'll tell me what you think about it. It is only 3 minutes video.
to come up with an outline. And then, let me tell you, I put in almost 10 proposals into the government, and it takes months to do it. And I'm very proud to be part of this group. So if you're new here, let me tell you, there's a lot of things we do with this group. We have a lot of aspects, and so we're great. And so taken together, we should all be proud of what we did. Thank you to all the work. So that may be the right thing. I'm used to presenting such things, so I think probably that was just what you guys start off and then tell what you did in 90 seconds. That's like the goal. 90 seconds. Chief Technology Information Technologies for us, not for us. My name is Tom Newberry. I am an AI technologist, primarily from Belmont to ethics. I'm curious to My name is Monday Granny, and I'm a management consultant focused on AI adaptation in healthcare. Mr. Vasquez, I'm CNR of research training, a strategic advisor to EMA, learning and operating my footprint. So I know we have all introductions. I've been both CISO and mostly financial institutions. I did finance duty 10 years of federal service, different agencies duty, and financial services. I've been doing that for about 15 years. Mid-size and large banks across the country. Kevin Bradley was in beyond 20 years, mainly working cybercrime and counterintelligence, which the two go together pretty well. Before that, I was a programmer. That was quite a while ago now. Yeah, I'm not going on. My academic background is computer science, actually, so I'm into computer science. So my last degree was from the 90s all the way to recently. I've done some postdoc work at Harvard in artificial intelligence, and so now I'm at BAM, and I just took on a new role on Monday, concentrating on the impact that artificial intelligence organization and weapons.